Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a very practical tutorial, how to download your Webflow project in 2025. If you've designed an awesome site in Webflow and you want to export it, maybe to host elsewhere, hand it off to a client, or just keep a backup, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export your Webflow site's code, package it up, and have it ready for whatever you want to do next. Alright, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your specific Webflow project. Once you're inside your project dashboard, you'll notice up in the upper left corner of the screen the distinctive Webflow logo. Now, finding this logo is key. It's like your home base in Webflow. Give that logo a click and keep an eye out for a menu option that says Export Code. This is your starting point for getting all the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets that make up your website. After you click on Export Code, you'll probably see a modal or window pop up right in the middle of the screen. Sometimes Webflow makes you wait a second here because it needs to gather and bundle all the files that are behind your beautiful site. If it's taking a moment, don't stress. This is totally normal, especially if your site has lots of images or complex styles. Just hang tight for a few seconds as it processes. Once the code is fully loaded, you'll see a button that you can click to actually start the preparation of your zip file. Think of this zip file as a suitcase. It's going to neatly pack up every piece of your website so you can take it anywhere. Go ahead and click where it says Prepare Zip, or sometimes just download zip. Different browsers or future updates may label it a bit differently, but the idea is the same. Now your browser will start downloading a file, usually called something like Webflow zip. You'll find this in your standard downloads folder. Downloading the whole project might take a few seconds, especially with a big site or a slower connection, so if you need to, grab a quick sip of coffee while it finishes. Once your zip file is ready and downloaded, the next step is to unpack it. On most computers, you can just double-click the zip file and it'll automatically create a nice new folder with all your project files inside. If you're on Windows or Mac, the built-in extractor works great, but there are lots of free unzipping apps if you prefer. What you're seeing now is the guts of your website. Individual HTML files for each page, CSS files for styling, all your images, fonts, and scripts arranged like Webflow built them. From here, you're ready for the final step. You can now take these files and import or upload them wherever you need. They're yours. Maybe you'll upload them to a custom hosting service, send them to a developer, or keep them safe as a backup. That flexibility is one of the best things about using Webflow's export option. And that's it, pretty simple. Downloading your Webflow site gives you control and freedom, and now you know just how to do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've run into any tricky spots. I'm always here to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.